Change your Windows folder locations back to the defaults from Microsoft OneDrive you updated. If you are using Microsoft OneDrive and noted that your Windows folders like Documents, Pictures, or Desktop have been redirected to the cloud, you've probably wondered, how do I get those folders back to my computer without losing any files? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys today, step by step. This is a common issue, especially if you are started using OneDrive by default and allowed Windows to automatically move those folders to the cloud. Maybe you want more control over your files, or you prefer actually than to stay on your computer or laptop for storage or organizations reasons. Okay, so whatever the case, you learn here today how to restore those folders to the default Windows locations very quickly, safely, and without complications. Okay, so let's start with the first step. Opening File Explorer and go to the folder that is linked to the OneCloud. For me, it's the documents, and right here you can see, okay, OneDrive, One Personal Documents. So what we have to do, guys, is very simple. We are gonna go on OneDrive icon right here below, click with the right button and go on this option right here, that is the settings. Click with the right button, or just click with the first button, the mouse, go on settings, and here we are going in account. Here in account we are going to click in OneDrive, choose folders. Here, guys, we are going to mark the documents and go on. So this was the first step. The second step, we are going on sync and backup, and sometimes this app right here can close itself, so you just go back on the icon right here, go on settings, go on sync and backup, and here on sync and backup we are going to backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Click on manage backup, let it load, and here this will be marked, so you're going to click to unmark, go on save changes, okay, and then you can close it. To see if it works, you are going on documents right here and see if it's still OneDrive linked to the documents. Okay, you can click with the right button as well on documents, go on properties and see if it's linked right there. See two dots, OneDrive, just like right here. And this process may take a few seconds or even a few minutes depending on how many files you have. So during this time, it's important not to close the File Explorer or shut down your computer so all your files are moving correctly. Okay, and that's it, guys. It's very simple. Your folder is now back in the default Windows location. All your files that were in OneDrive have been moved back to documents, to the original folder, and you can open the folder normally and see everything is there, safe and sound. But wait, don't stop here. If you have other folders linked to OneDrive like pictures, music, or desktop, you can repeat the same process for each one. It's always the same process. Okay, so you go back to the Windows Drive, go OneDrive, go on settings, go on account first, go on Drive, choose folders and see if you want any folder is there. This personal vault is something that you can't actually take it off, so don't mind it. Then you go back to the sync and backup, go on manage backup and see the folder that you want and just mark it. Okay, but somehow if you still want to maintain, and another important tip, guys, and that it's even after restoring all your folders, you can still use the OneDrive to sync specifically files manually. So to do that, you're going to go on your files. Let's suppose I want this file right here, and just click and move to the personal right here, to the folder that is linked to the OneDrive, and that will be linked to the OneDrive, to the cloud. And this way you maintain full control and avoid automatic synchronization of everything. And if you are wondering what happens to the old files that were already on OneDrive, don't worry, they aren't deleted. They remain in the cloud and can be accessed anytime via the OneDrive website or app. The difference now is that your default folders are back on your computer, and decide what move to leave in the cloud. Okay, So after following all of the steps, your Windows folders will be back to the default locations, completely independent of the OneDrive, with no risk of duplicate or lost files. And if you can still can and if you can't still repair or and if you can't still restore a folder, don't worry, you can contact me through the link in the description below and I will help you fix it step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials, and comment below if you want the solutions that actually worked for you, or if you still have some questions, and I'll read all the comments and respond as much as possible. Thanks for watching to the end, and I see you in the next video.